Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is the epitome of mobile luxury. Outside silhouette, the motorhome will feature a long, proportionate silhouette that embodies the Rolls Royce brand's elegance. Pantheon grille, perhaps a little larger, the famous Pantheon grille will be the focal point at the front. Spirit of Ecstasy, at the end of the bonnet will be the famous sculpture known as the Spirit of Ecstasy. Lights, the headlights will have a sleek, contemporary style and employ the newest, adaptable LED technology. Doors, there will be an electronically actuated primary entry door, probably on the passenger side. Wheels, the rims will be big, beautifully multi-spoke, and flawlessly polished. Interior, seats, the best leather will be used to bolster the driver's and front passenger seats. Screens, with cutting-edge navigation, car controls, and entertainment systems, large digital infotainment and entertainment screens will be seamlessly integrated. Steering, the steering wheel will have wood and leather upholstery and simple controls. Seating, leather or silk will be used to cover the sofa and armchairs, tables, foldable coffee, and dining tables. Entertainment, electrically recessed large LED television screens. Storage, classy concealed. Cabinets for private items. Kitchen, built-in espresso machine. Sub-zero refrigerator freezer. Microwave, a convection oven. Induction cooktop. And sink with high-end faucet. Beds, a king-size bed with the finest quality sheets and a bespoke mattress. Storage options include bookshelves, drawers, and concealed wardrobes. Engine, the same potent twin-turbo V12 engine that powers the Phantom or Cullinan will power the Rolls Royce Motorhome, providing the power to handle any terrain and smooth acceleration. Transmission, a smooth driving experience will be offered by a highly sophisticated automatic transmission, perhaps with 8 speeds. Braking system, large discs and an advanced braking system provide excellent stopping force. Transmission system, equipped with an all-wheel drive AWD system for traction.